Dental unit with two unique functions, improving the dentist's working efficiency. Built-in electric suction. Suction working by electric instead of by air. 2 liters water per minute. If work by air, 0.6 liter water per minute. Much powerful. Meanwhile, compressor can supply enough air to three-way sealing and handpiece using. Vacuum cleaning tube system. Push the debris out from the drainage tube. Keep the tube clean and dry. Just turn on it 5 minutes before cleaning of work. Design of the chair. 2 meters long cushion to cover all kinds of patients. New design operation tray with injection mold. Much beauty and shining. New design water bottle which open from above. Easy to add water. Long light arm to let the operation tray far from dentist's head. 6-eye LED lamp with 3 mode light, yellow, white, yellow and white. Big unique box with 2 side doors, easier for future maintenance. 2 movement dentist stool, let dentist sitting comfortable. Quality of the chair, CE and ISO approval, 2 years warranty. Big metal frame makes the dental chair strong and hold heavy duty. Motto from listed company. All valves are copper, and tubes raw materials from US. Can resist from cold and hot weather. The tube using lasting at least 5 years. To make dentist working easier, the options can be chosen. Oral camera with screen with new LCD position. Not conflicting with lamp holder. LED scaler with 2 pieces scaler handpiece. 2 pieces LED light high-speed handpiece and 1 full-size low-speed queuing line. Electric micro motor available to choose. Lingchen Dental, easy to dentist.